girl if you don't already know that, and today we've got another video for you today. So stick around and see what it is, enjoy it, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, you know the drill. Let's go! So today we're going to be making a knife. Yes, that's right, I said it, a knife. It's not actually the full knife we're going to be making, it's just going to be the handle. But this is actually the knife that we are using. And this is being made by my amazing boyfriend. He's made it from scratch, so I'm going to show you how this works. And what I'm going to do is going to be really cool, so stick around. Let's go. Okay, so this is basically how it works, is basically you pull the knife, and it clips into place. You pull this, just like you would on a normal knife, and it'll close in. Obviously, it's going to be a lot easier when it's actually cramped into a bit of wood. So, let me show you how it works. So these are your brass plates that will get epoxied on. So he's made this from scratch, which I think is really cool. So let's check it out. So this is your spring as such, which is actually just made of an Allen key. And as you can see, you would push in here and your knife unclips and it would fold round and lock into place. And likewise, if you pull this, it clips in place. So hopefully that's going to work with our handles on. So let's get to it. So basically these handles are actually going to be made out of ply. As you will have seen on YouTube, if you're into the kind of woodworking industry, patterned plywood is coming back in for a return. It used to be really popular before I was probably born, and there has been several people doing it. So I thought I wanted to give it a go. So I've actually got these L sections that I've glued up, and let me show you how I did that. So you start off with a board of ply, and I basically just veneered this stained blue onto both sides. Once you've done that, I obviously put it through the saw at 45 degrees, and you end up with two 45-degree pieces of ply. And when you glue these together with tape or cramps or however you'd like to do it, you end up with this 90-degree plywood. And it actually makes a really cool pattern. And when my camera decides to focus, you'll be able to see. And as you can see, that is quite a cool pattern. So basically what we are going to do, we have got those L sections and we are going to cut them off at 15mm on the bandsaw, and then we're going to glue them all together. So let's go and make that. and it looks really cool actually. There is a few gaps, but I do think they're fillable, so I think we'll be alright. I'll see if you can... Yeah, so I think that actually looks really good, for a first attempt especially. So what we need to do next is these brass bits off the knife making. We need to epoxy these onto here, and there'll be 2, and then we can start cutting around them and shaping them, and I think it'll be really cool, this project. Now glued, and they are nicely gone off and set. So what's left to do is to actually just kind of shape these and put some brass pins in and attach it to the knife, and then I'll probably do my final sand up and shape when the knife is attached, and then it's just a bit of oil and we're done. So stick around, I hope you enjoyed the video, and let's get to it. is the knife complete. I think it's turned out really well, and one thing I do really love is the click it gives. I don't know if you could hear that on camera, but it gives a really good click. And it's super sharp now. So that is my knife. Tell me what you think of it in the comments below. Please subscribe to my channel, check out my other videos, and like this video. Even if you didn't like the handle, surely the knife itself deserves that thumbs up. So please do hit that thumbs up. And I'll see you next time. Bye everyone.